Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the today's class. The continuation of the previous last video, that is about introduction of the Darwin theory. But now the Darwin theory of natural selection. In this video, the Darwin is said he can't say exactly what is evolution. Darwin can't say exactly what is evolution. What is evolution? If anybody to raise the question, what is evolution to the Darwin say that we can't say that what is evolution that. But he explained that the evolution, how the evolution process is going on, how the evolution is happened by explained who the Charles Darwin. According to the Charles Darwin, the evolution process was happened slow and continuous. Slow and the continuous means, according to the Darwin, the evolution is a slow and the continuous process. But he said that the evolution is explained, the process of evolution explained, it is depending upon fact, comma, observations and permissions. He explained about the evolution, the process of evolution, that is depending upon the fact, observation, the permissions. What are the fact and observations? Now we are going to discuss. In that, the first one we will discuss one by one. What are the fact and that? What are the fact and observations done by the Charles Darwin? The first one, probability of production or overproduction. The second one is the constant population. The third one, struggle for existence. The fourth one, universal occurrence of variations. The fifth one is a natural selection. The sixth one is the origin of the species. In this, the one by one we are going to discuss. In that, we'll take the first one is the overproduction. You can take any individual in their life, they can produce the large number of infant. Large number of the infant they can produce throughout the life. For example, you can take the paramecium. Paramecium is there. The paramecium, it is involving in the fission. It is involving in the binary fusion. It is involving in the binary fusion for a day 2 to 3 times. It is involving in the for a day 2 to 3 times. Means the one paramecium. So like that you can take the one paramecium to involve the binary fission 2 to 3 times or 4 times per a day. Like that the number is increasing that. So what is happening that when the 900 generation of paramecium, when after the 900 generation of the paramecium, total cytoplasm is more than to the weight of the earth. What is here? See that it is a daily 2 to 3 times involving the binary fission. So like that, when it is involving the binary fission continuously, when the 900 generation is there, after the generation, the total paramecium, the cytoplasm is more 100 times more than to the earth. 100 times more than to the earth. But so then after that, next you can take the salmon fish. The salmon fish, for in a season it can produce the 1 million eggs. 1 million eggs. So like that, every individual also there is throughout the life the production, overproduction that. This is about the overproduction that. After that, the overproduction that. The next is the constant population. What is the overproduction after that? The constant population. What in see that in the, for example, you can take the in the paramecium, best and salmon fish that can produce a million eggs in a season that. But that all the eggs not become a, it can become a offspring, but all become a survive. When the age of reproductive stage, when comes the reproductive stage, some of the individuals that didn't survive, they are eliminated. Due to the elimination only in the earth, every individual, the population is the constant. Otherwise, due to the overproduction of the every individual, not enough for the space of the living organism. One is the struggle for existence. Every individuals, they are, if they want to live, they can be survived, they can do the struggle that. There is a struggle, those who are get the struggle, then they will become survive. Otherwise, they can be eliminated. See that in struggle for existence, we can divide the three types that intra species. The first one is intra-specific struggle. The next, interspecific struggle. The next, struggle with environment. The struggle for existence, three: intraspecific, interspecific struggle, then struggle with the environment. What is the intraspecific struggle? Means within a species. The struggle between the within a species. This is the struggle between the two species. See that one example of intraspecific struggle within a species. For example, you can take the tiger is there. Two tigers is there. The two tigers is there. These two tigers, the food purpose, the food or shelter or food purpose, the both are the fighting each other. In that fighting, one is eliminated, one is a survive for the food and shelter. So for next, interspecific struggle means struggle between the two species. For example, you can take the fox is there, again the wolf is there. Means between these two, for the shelter, for the food, between that they are going to fight each other. They can make the struggle each other. In that, some are eliminated, some can be survived. The next, struggle with the environment. You know, the environmental condition always not constant. What is happening in the environment? There is a sum of the changes happen, like cyclones and tsunami and volcanic eruptions. So like that, the natural disaster is going to happen. Which is the living individual, they can be faced, they can struggle to against of this all the natural disasters, they can be survived. Otherwise, remaining is can't survive that. This is the struggle for existence. This is for struggle for existence. Third one of the factor. Next, fourth one, the universal occurrence of variations. What is the variations? Nothing but is the differences. Any differences. You can take all the living organisms. Any two individual, they have the difference variations. Like you can take the same, the parent are the same, which is there is a offspring is there. There is a two offspring is there. Two offspring. In this two offspring, and the parent is the same, mother is the same, but between the two individuals, which is that the two individuals not equal in the variations. There is a compulsory, there is a differences is there. You can take the any individual throughout the world. So that is only called as universal occurrence of the variations. Universal occurrence of the variations. Due to that, next the fifth one is a natural selection. Natural selection. In the we said the variations. The variations also there is a two types is there. Maybe harmful variations. Second one is useful variations. So, for example, if you think that which is the harmful variations is there in a generation, it maybe does not repeat to the next generation, maybe eliminate. Which is the useful variations is there, it may be continuously transferred to the next generation. Due to the transfer of the useful variations in the next generation, what will happen? They will get the fitness, that is called as survival of fittest. Survival of the fittest. Due to the survival of the fittest, they are get the useful variations. It will be continuous going to happen. That due to the continuous going to happen, what is happening? The finally there is a origin of new species. Origin of the new species. This is about the Darwin theory of the natural selections. Then after that, objections of the Darwin theory of natural selection. To the Darwinism, the first one, arrival of fittest. He explained about the survival of the fittest. How the animals can be survived to the concerned environment, he explained, but he didn't explain about the arrival of the fittest. Next is he didn't explain about the vestigial organs. Again, he didn't explain the differences between the somatic variations, the germinal variations, which is the factors is responsible to the somatic and germinal variations. Differences he can't explain that. Finally, he was not explain. He didn't explain about the macro variation. These are the objections of the Darwinism. Introduction and theory of natural selection of the Darwin. This is about the complete information. Thank you, one and all.